2012 economics past question number 14. You give us the diagram like this again. So we have point P, point K, point N, and point M. This is 0, this is Y, and this is X. And the question says to move from point K, point M, to point K, the consumer has to increase the consumption of X and reduce the consumption of Y. That's option A. B, the consumer has to increase expenditure on Y. C, expenditure on X. D, consumption on Y and reduce consumption of X. For the consumer to move from point A, from point M to K, the consumer has to increase the expenditure on X. So option C is the right answer. Thank you, and please subscribe for more past questions.